It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power telescoping steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Car and Driver finds it earns respect by effortlessly balancing form and function in a practical and attractive package. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.